Fluid mechanics. Solid molecules are not free to move but can vibrate about mean position. Molecules of solid cannot collide. So no pressure concept on solid. Solid cannot apply pressure on another solid. Fluid molecules are free to move. Liquid incompressible. Delta rho is equal to 0. Gas compressible. Fluid can apply pressure on another fluid. Mechanics, field of study of everything that can move or that will move. Statics, hydrostatic Pascal law. Kinetics, Euler law. Dynamics, Bernoulli equation. Kinetics, fluid flowing. Y is dynamics, cause. How kinematics, velocity, acceleration, discharge. Second law, F is equal to dp by dt is equal to d by dt of mv. For solid, mass is constant. F is equal to m dv by dt is equal to ma. Fluids, F is equal to d by dt of mv is equal to m dot v. F is equal to rho qv is equal to rho a v square. Stresses, fluids, liquid, tau is equal to mu du by dy. Du by dy is velocity gradient. Solids, load resisting force. Ft is equal to tau into a drag force. Mu is quotient of viscosity, represents intermolecular attraction. Specific weight is equal to rho g is equal to m by v into g. Specific volume v is equal to v by m is equal to 1 by rho. Specific gravity is equal to rho by rho h2o. Specific gravity of water is equal to 1. Specific gravity of ice is equal to 0.6. 90% in water, 10% outside. Sg greater than 1 sinks in water. Dead sea salt is more. Sg human less than Sg dead sea. So human will float in dead sea because no vegetation or fish can survive in dead sea as everything floats. dy u plus dy, free stream of velocity profile. Newton's law of viscosity, tau directly proportional to du by dy. Shear drag or shear stress directly proportional to rate of shear strain. Tau is equal to mu du by dy. Fd is equal to tau into a. This is longitudinal direction. This is transverse direction. Solids deformed, tau shear stress is equal to F by A. Pi is equal to shear strain is equal to X by Y. Tau is directly proportional to pi. Tau is equal to G pi. Liquids flow Y direction, dx by dt is equal to U. Rate of shear strain is equal to X by Y by T is equal to U by Y. Shear stress is equal to tau. Tau is directly proportional to du by dy. Tau is equal to mu du by dy. Tau du by dy, tau directly proportional to du by dy is Newtonian fluid, water. Tau directly proportional to du by dy whole power n less than 1 pseudoplastic. It will be up milk. N less than 1 pseudoplastic. Tau directly proportional to du by dy whole power n greater than 1 dilatant sugar. And the down is dilatant sugar. Up is pseudoplastic. Tan theta is equal to mu is equal to quotient of dynamic viscosity. Quotient of viscosity, mu dynamic, kinematic, v is equal to mu by rho. Dynamic mu changes with temperature. V does not change significantly with temperature. Viscosity changes with temperature. Dynamic viscosity, liquid. Mu depends on intermolecular attraction. As temperature increases, attractions decrease, mu decreases. Gases, mu depends on intermolecular collisions. As T increases, collisions increases, mu increases. Bulk modulus K is equal to minus delta P by delta V by V is equal to delta P by delta rho by rho is equal to 1 by K is equal to compressibility. Liquid incompressible, delta rho is equal to 0, K is equal to infinity. K liquid is greater than K solid greater than K gases. Liquids are completely incompressible. Solids like forging and all we can do, so less than greater than gases. Isothermal process, gases, PV is equal to constant, PdV plus VdP is equal to 0 minus dP by dV by V is equal to K is equal to P. Surface tension sigma, it is due to cohesive forces. Tension pull among surface molecules due to cohesion force. Surface behaves as stretched membrane. Inside particle will be balanced by all forces, so net force is equal to 0. But top surface net force is not equal to 0 as top air is there. Water. Intramolecular force, cohesive force between similar molecules H2O, H2O, Mercury, Mercury. Uh, Adhesive force between dissimilar molecules H2O air, H2O glass. Attractive pulling tensile. Forces H2O glass greater than H2O, H2O greater than H2O air. Adhesive greater than cohesive. Mercury, Mercury greater than Mercury glass. Cohesive greater than adhesive. Surface tension of mercury is very high, so if mercury doesn't, even if you put it on hand, it will not stick, it will flow. Mercury, it is convex, spherical, meniscus spherical. Hg mercury cohesive greater than more sigma, cohesive greater than adhesive. Say mercury, mercury greater than mercury glass. Water will be like this, here convex, here concave meniscus, concave meniscus H2O. Adhesive greater than cohesive. H2O water greater than H2O. H2O angle of contact less than 90 degrees. Here with mercury angle of contact greater than 90 degrees. Less wetting or spreading in case of mercury. Mercury convex, it will be like this. H2O concave, it will be like this. Why mercury is spherically shaped everywhere? Why H2O drop spherical? Sigma surface per unit length, or surface per unit length Newton per meter, or surface energy per surface area kilojoule per meter square. U is equal to surface energy. U is equal to sigma into A. Sigma property of fluid is equal to constant. A surface area. U, any system will tend to have a minimum energy to obtain equilibrium. Minimum surface area is spherical. Excess pressure due to sigma, if spherical drop like this, it is cut into two. Then attractive force due attractive surface tension force is equal to separating pressure force. Sigma into pi d is equal to delta p into pi by 4 d square. Sigma into pi d length is equal to delta p into pi by 4 d square. Delta p is equal to 4 sigma by d. This is excess pressure. Excess pressure molecules will collide as they are restricted in minimum area. Capillarity not properly, but uh, capillarity not properly, but property, but phenomena related to sigma. Related to sigma. If you put a small diameter pipe into this, it will rise h theta. Water rise in level h is equal to 4 sigma cos theta by rho gd. It may also dip when theta is greater than 90 degrees, but formula remains same. H is equal to 4 sigma cos theta by rho gd. It will become negative. What if we cut at h by 2? It will just go till the tip and change angle theta and remain there. Ascent formula: theta angle of contact cos theta is equal to small r by capital R is equal to small d by capital A. Small r is equal to capital R cos theta, small d is equal to capital A cos theta. P atmosphere here, P atmosphere here, P atmosphere minus delta P, because this side it will be more, is equal to P atmosphere minus 4 sigma by d. Here P atmosphere minus 4 sigma by d plus rho gh is equal to P atmosphere. 4 sigma by d is equal to rho gh, d is equal to 2 r, h is equal to 4 sigma by rho gd is equal to 4 sigma. This is capital D. Capital D. Capital A is equal to capital 2R. So 4 sigma by rho GD capital D is equal to 4 sigma cos theta by rho G small d. Small d means diameter of this pipe. If h is cut into half, first it will rise till top flat surface r is equal to infinity, then d is equal to infinity, h tends to 0. Therefore, it will stop. After that, due to strong cohesive force, H2O greater than H2O air, it will be like this convex. Application of sigma surface tension simply means cohesive force, that is molecules stay together and do not spread, that is molecules do not stick to other surface. Paints must have low sigma, lubricants, detergents, flux or welding Dettol should have low sigma. Principle of non-sticking utensils material, cohesive force is more than adhesive force. Pressure always compressive, always normal, intermolecular collision due to intermolecular collisions. P it is always normal. Pressure due to intermolecular collision in fluids normal or compressive. Stress due to external forces, solids normal, tensile, compressive and shear. Pressure leads to stress. Example LPG cylinder. Sigma is equal to F by A, F input to P is equal to F by A, F is equal to PA. Here P pressure is input. 3 bar 1 bar P atmosphere. This is 3 bar absolute or 2 bar gauge. If it is here 0.2 bar absolute or minus 0.8 bar vacuum. Absolute reference 0 bar. Tire in real life inflate by 32 psi. Inflated by 32 psi. Pound psi means pound per square inch. Hydrostatic law, water at rest. P is equal to P atmosphere plus rho g z. Here dp by dz is equal to rho g. dp by dz is equal to plus or minus rho g. P atmosphere 101.325 kilopascal. Generally, it can be written as 10 power 5 Newton per meter square, or is equal to 100 kilopascal is equal to 0.1 MPa is equal to 0.1 Newton per mm square is equal to 10.3 meter of water is equal to 0.76 meter of mercury is equal to 760 mm of Hg. Pascal's law, intensity of pressure at a point is same in all directions, that is Px, Py, Pz is equal to rho gz. Manometer, pressure measuring device, simple PA by piezometer, U-tube, single column vertically inclined for sensitivity. Differential U-tube, differential U-tube. Accuracy is closeness to real value. Sensitivity is becoming sensitive to small change. P atmosphere, piezometer, PA is equal to rho gz. Piezometer cannot be used to measure vacuum. U-tube manometer, H, it will be like this. Single column, sin theta is equal to y by L, L is equal to y by sin theta. L is more than y to increase sensitivity. YA is equal to AX, A greater than A, X can be neglected. Next topic, buoyancy and flotation. Buoyancy and flotation. G, centroid or center of gravity. W acts downward. B, buoyancy point. FB acts upward. Centroid of submerged part. FB, buoyancy force is equal to weight of liquid displaced. Net hydrostatic force is equal to P2 A minus P1A. Upward is equal to P2 minus P1 into A is equal to rho g L into A is equal to weight of liquid displaced. If 1, 2 diagrams are given like this, then we have to compare specific gravity. Obviously, these two are less than 1, these two are 1, these two are greater than 1. S1 less than S2, but here we cannot say anything. Metacenter floating body, tilt the floating body by small angle so that it will display a simple harmonic motion. Metacenter the point about which body starts is oscillating. This given small tilt, about this point it will start oscillating. Stability of floating bodies, ship. M should be high as possible. G point should be below M. G point should be below, that is M should be above G for stability. Then restoring couple will bring it back. Here G is here, M is here, then G, if it is tilted like this, W will act like this, FB will act like this, then it will bring it back. Hydrostatic paradox, weighing machine, three different containers but count a bottom area same bottom area. P is equal to rho g z. W1 that is weight, W1 greater than W2 greater than W3, but only hydrostatic force same. F1 is equal to F2 is equal to F3. Weight here, another case, weight is equal to Az1 plus small a z1 plus capital A z2 into rho g. Hydrostatic force is equal to rho g into z1 plus z2 into A. Hydrostatic pressure force, free surface, horizontally it will be like this, vertical it will keep on increasing, inclined it will be like this. Net hydrostatic pressure force is equal to 0 when both sides cancel each other. Curved surface, Fi here, apply pressure on all sides, then we can decide the direction. Fi here upward, this direction. Fi weight of liquid, it can hold. Fi upward, weight of liquid displaced is equal to pi r square L or pi by 2 r square L into rho g. Kinematics and dynamics. So dynamics of why, kinematics how. Steady and unsteady flow examples, independent variables, time or position. Steady, no change with time. Uniform, no change with position. River bed, V1 V2 du by dt s not equal to 0, not equal to 0, equal to 0, then it is steady. Not equal to 0, unsteady. Du by ds at constant equal to 0, uniform, not equal to 0, non-uniform. Lever, steady, steady and non-uniform flow. Canal, steady and uniform as it flows constantly. Pipe flow, unsteady and non and uniform as constant cross section. Laminar, it those layers won't mix, so it is laminar. Losses are there in both laminar and turbulent. Friction loss due to viscosity. This is turbulent, zigzag, disordered, mixed flow. Losses due to mixing. Losses are there in both laminar and turbulent flow, but we prefer laminar flow because it is predictable. Incompressibility, liquid greater than solid greater than gases. Liquid K is equal to infinity, most incompressible due to bulk behavior. Solid homogeneous hammering, it will increase. K is equal to minus delta P by delta V by V is equal to delta P by delta rho by rho is equal to 1 by compressibility. Rotational, microscopic, can't be seen with naked eye. Fluid element rotating about its own axis. Vortex, macroscopic, observed mass or bulk phenomena when entire fluid mass rotates in curved path. Example, whirlpool, washing machine. Omega bar is equal to omega x I cap plus omega z omega y j cap. Omega z is equal to dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y. V is equal to ui plus vj. Omega x is equal to omega y is equal to omega z is equal to 0, that is omega bar is equal to 0, then we say flow is irrotational. Water in glass, is it rotational? We can't say, as fan is on, AC is on, energy may go to particles, it might rotate, but we can't say that by naked eye. Vorticity is equal to 2 omega. Vorticity into area is equal to circulation, can be seen with naked eyes. Circulation is equal to pi r square into vorticity. T pi r square into vorticity. Circulation is observed. T particles. Reynolds number Re is equal to rho du by mu is equal to du by v. Pipe flow range laminar Re less than 2000. Turbulent Re greater than 4000. Flat plate, all flat plate Re less than 3 lakh. Turbulent Re greater than 5 lakh. Tau is equal to mu du by dy. F viscous is equal to tau A is equal to mu A u by y is equal to mu A u by d. F F inertia is equal to m dot u is equal to rho A u square. Reynolds number F inertia by F viscous is equal to rho A u square by mu A u by d is equal to rho u d by mu. Quotient of kinematic viscosity V is equal to mu by rho. U is equal to average velocity is equal to Q by A. 1D flow fluid Ux is equal to f of x comma y comma t. 1D motion solids Ux is equal to dx by dt is equal to f of x comma t, as they have fixed space, but here x or y both will be come into action. Continuity equation, conservation of mass flow rate m dot kg per second. M dot is equal to rho q is equal to rho a v. Q is discharge, v is average velocity. For liquids incompressible, rho is equal to c. M1 dot is equal to m2 dot. Rho a1 u1 is equal to rho a2 u2. Q1 is equal to q2. Continuity in 3D. X, Y, Z, U, V, W, dou rho by dou T plus dou by dou X of rho U plus dou by dou Y of rho V plus dou by dou Z of rho W is equal to 0. If flow is steady, dou rho by dou T is equal to 0. If flow is incompressible, rho is equal to constant. V bar is equal to Ui cap plus Vj cap plus Wk cap. Flow in 2D, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y is equal to 0. Velocity V bar is equal to Ui cap plus Vj cap plus Wk cap. Mod V bar is equal to root of u square plus v square plus w square. U is equal to f of x comma y comma z comma t. V is equal to f of x comma y comma z comma t. W is equal to f of x comma y comma z comma t. Acceleration A bar is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Mod A bar is equal to root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. Ax is equal to dux by dt. U is equal to f of x comma y comma z comma t. Ax is equal to dou u by dou t plus u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y plus w dou u by dou z. Ay is equal to dou u by dou t plus u dou v by dou x plus v dou v by dou y plus w dou w by dou z. Dou u by dou t is this is local acceleration. This whole part is convective acceleration. Velocity potential function. What do you mean by pi? Pi decreases in direction of flow. U is equal to minus dou p by dou x. V is equal to minus dou p by dou pi by dou y. W is equal to minus dou pi by dou z. Flow because of potential difference. Flow is represented by stream function. Represents direction, and cause of flow is represented by potential function. Flow is represented by stream function, but cause of flow is represented by potential function. Dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equal to 0. Continuity equation. Del square pi is equal to 0. Dou square pi by dou x square plus dou square pi by dou y square plus dou square pi by dou z square is equal to 0. For steady incompressible, if pi satisfies Laplace equation, then it is continuous flow. Omega z is equal to dou u by dou x minus dou u by dou y is equal to 0. Irrotational flow. If pi exists, then flow is irrotational. Stream function size. Dou psi by dou x is equal to v. Dou psi by dou y is equal to minus u. Dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. So existence of psi means flow is continuous. Dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y is equal to 0. Omega z is equal to 0. Del square psi is equal to 0. If psi satisfies Laplace equation, flow is irrotational. Psi 2 minus psi 1 is equal to discharge by width. If streamline and potential line potential if streamline and potential lines are perpendicular, if both coexist flow net, they will be perpendicular. If it psi 1 psi 2 are like this, pi 1 pi 2 are like this. If psi 1 pi 1 pi 2 are like this, psi will be like this. Types of flow: linear transformation, linear deformation, angular deformation, rotation. Rotation: omega bar is equal to omega x I cap plus omega y j cap plus omega z k cap. In some books, there is half before. Omega bar is equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z u bar v bar w bar. Vorticity is equal to 2 omega bar. C is equal to circulation is equal to vorticity into area of loop. Vortex flow, runner or impeller, washing machine, forced vortex, free vortex, whirlpool, wash basin, volute coursing, river pipe bend. Forced vortex, external source of torque, omega is equal to constant, v is equal to r omega, v by r is equal to constant, v directly proportional to r. Free vortex, no torque, dt is equal to dl by dt is equal to 0, L is equal to constant, mvr is equal to constant, vr is equal to constant, v inversely proportional to r. Dynamics of flow. Forces, cause of flow. Newton's second law, F bar is equal to dp bar by dt. P bar, linear momentum, is equal to mv bar. F bar is equal to d by dt of mv is equal to m dv by dt. Dv by dt is acceleration plus v dm by dt. Dm by dt is m dot solid. F is equal to ma fluid. F is equal to m dot v is equal to rho qv. F external forces acting. F external is equal to dp by dt. Fg gravity force, Fp pressure force, Fv viscous force, Ft turbulence force, Fc compressive force. Fg and Fp considered Euler's equation. Fg, Fp, Fv considered Navier-Stokes equation. Fg, Fp, Fv, Ft considered Reynolds equation turbulence. Euler's equation of motion dynamic dou p by dp by rho plus gdz plus vdv is equal to 0. This is pressure force, this is gravity force, this is inertia force. If we differentiate Bernoulli, we get Euler. If we integrate Euler, we get Bernoulli. Assumptions: steady flow, du by dt is equal to 0. Du by dt is equal to 0. In viscid flow, V is equal to 0. Incompressible, d rho is equal to 0. Irrotational, calculated along a streamline in flow. Bernoulli equation, conservation of energy, obtained the integration of Euler equation. Integral 1 to 2 dp by rho plus integral 1 to 2 gdz plus integral 1 to 2 vdv is equal to 0. Finally, p2 minus p1 by rho plus g into z2 minus z1 plus v2 square minus v1 square by 2 is equal to 0. P by rho plus gz plus v square by 2 is equal to constant. Units kilojoule per kg specific energy. P by rho g plus v square by 2g plus z is equal to constant. P, this is pressure head, kinematic head, z is diatom head. Turbine, Pelton, less discharge, more head. Kaplan, more discharge, less head. Francis, moderate head discharge, moderate head. Assumptions of Assumptions of Bernoulli's equation: steady flow, inviscid, ideal, incompressible, irrotational. Same as Euler equation. No frictional energy term involved in Bernoulli equation. Bernoulli equation: ideal inviscid flow P by rho g plus V square by 2g plus Z is equal to constant. Real flow P by rho g plus V square by 2g plus Z plus HF is equal to constant. Loss of friction head. Conservation energy terms EGL, direction of flow from Bernoulli equation. Calculate HF always. P1 by V rho g plus V1 square by G2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2 EGL1 EGL2. HF greater here HF is the HF greater than 0, flow from 1 to 2, HF less than 0, flow from 2 to 1. Relation between P, V and area. P is equal to F by A. If A decreases, then P may increase or decrease. But here, then if A decreases, velocity increases, then P decreases. So continuity equation: A1 V1 is equal to rho A1 A1 is equal to rho A2 V2. A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. A2 greater than A1. V2 less than V1. At Z1 is equal to Z2 P1 by rho G. Plus V1 square by 2g is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 V square by 2g. P2 greater than P1. Navier-Stokes equation: rho gx minus dou p by dou x plus mu into dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to rho into dou u by dou t plus u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y plus w dou u by dou z. Inertia force mass by volume is equal to rho. This is gravity force, this is pressure force, this is viscous force. Direction of flow. Direction of flow here P2 greater than P1. Area also decreasing, so V also increases. So flows from 2 to 1. But here P decreases, area also decreases. We can't tell flow direction here as velocity is increasing. Pressure change: difference in pressure head due to area, loss in pressure head due to friction. Loss in pressure head due to friction. P2 minus P2 by V is equal to V2 square minus V1 square by 2g. Here HF will be there. V1 V2 cancel. Application of Bernoulli equation in devices: venturi meter, orifice meter are used for measuring discharge. Pitot tube used for measuring velocity. Venturi meter: nozzle converging, throat diverging, converging, throat diverging. Q is equal to CD A1 A2 by root of A1 square minus A2 root of A1 square minus A2 square into root 2g. H is equal to rho manometer by rho fluid minus 1 into y. Orifice meter: plain sheet with a hole inside it. Plain sheet with a hole inside it. A1 vena contractor, minimum cross section area. Venturi meter: costly, efficient, CD is equal to 0.98. Orifice meter: cheap, less efficient, CD is equal to 0.64. CD is equal to actual by theoretical. Actual discharge by theoretical discharge. Pitot tube: piezometer, pitot tube. H is equal to stagnation, capital H is equal to stagnation head, small h is equal to static head. V square by 2g is equal to capital H minus small h. V is equal to CV root of 2g into capital H minus small h. Can pitot tube measure discharge? Q is equal to AV, V average velocity. Pitot tube measures instantaneous velocity. If velocity profile is known, then it can measure average velocity and hence discharge. Manometer in pitot tube, inverted U tube, X is equal to capital H minus small h is equal to 1 minus rho mano by rho into Y. U tube, X is equal to capital H minus small h rho mano by rho minus 1 into Y. Inverted is U tube when rho manometric is less than rho fluid. So as it will go up even if we keep it down. Rotate pitot tube, then 0 to 90 degrees it will decrease when it is perpendicular, as it will nothing will enter, it will be small h only, static head only, then again it will increase from 270 degrees to 360 degrees. At different y positions, pitot tube is placed and velocity profile can be obtained. River flow, airflow, or river Umax here. Viscous flow, tau is equal to u dou mu dou u by dou y, ur is equal to 1 by 4 mu dou p by dou x into capital R square minus small r square. At small r is equal to 0, that is center. U max is equal to minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx into capital R square. Tau is equal to minus dou p by dou x into r by 2. Tau max is equal to minus dou p by dou x into capital R by 2. At small r is equal to capital R. This is tau max. Tq is equal to 2 pi r dr into ur. U average is equal to q by pi r square. Q is equal to integral 0 to capital R dq. U average velocity small r is equal at small r is equal to capital R by root 2. R capital R is equal to R by 1.414 is equal to 0.67 capital R. Head loss HF pipe flow. Darcy equation, there are two equations for head loss. Darcy equation, Hagen-Pauli equation. Hagen-Pauli equation is for laminar flow. HF is equal to P1 minus P2 by rho g is equal to 32 mu u bar L by rho g d square. U bar is equal to Q by A. Darcy equation, HF is equal to 4f L u square by 2 gd is equal to f prime L u square by 2 gd. F is equal to quotient of friction, F prime is equal to friction factor. F is equal to 16 by Re. Laminar, F is equal to 0.0791 by Ra power 1 by 4. P1, P2, A, tau naught fluid element. Tau naught is equal to mu du by dy. F is equal to 2 tau naught by rho u square. P1 minus P2 by rho g into pi by 4 d square is equal to tau naught into pi dl by rho g. P1 minus P2 by rho g is equal to HF is equal to 4 tau naught L by rho gd is equal to 4 FL u square by 2 gd. Turbulent flow. It is mixed Re greater than 4000, pipe flow, laminar parabolic Re less than 2000, turbulent laminar sublayer, it will be here in between logarithmic profile. Reynolds analysis, tau is equal to tau v plus tau t, tau v viscous shear stress, tau t turbulent shear stress, tau v is equal to mu du by dy, tau t is equal to rho u prime v prime. U prime v prime fluctuating components of velocity. Prandtl mixing length fluctuating component u prime is equal to L du by dy, v prime is equal to L du by dy, tau L is equal to L is equal to rho L du by dy whole square. Prandtl mixing length, it is that distance lump of fluid particle move in transverse direction and mix with fluid layer coming in longitudinal direction, but momentum in longitudinal direction remains same. That is, here momentum in x direction remains same. Longitudinal fluid flow in longitudinal direction, lump of fluid. This is Prandtl mixing length. Tau directly proportional to du by dy, laminar flow, velocity profile, parabolic. Tau directly proportional to du by dy whole square, turbulent velocity profile, logarithmic at center. Head loss in pipe, major viscosity, HF is equal to 4FL u square by 2 GD is HF is Darcy. HF is equal to 32 mu UL by rho GD square, Hagen-Pauli. Minor sudden contraction or expansion, bend, pipe fitting obstruction. If it enters from V1 to V2, H is equal to V1 minus V2 whole square by 2G sudden enlargement. If it is sudden, there is sudden contraction and it exits with V, then H is equal to 0.5 V square by 2G. 0.5 V square by 2G. Here V1 sudden enlargement. This is considered V2 is equal to 0. H is equal to V1 square by 2G. Contraction means H is expansion. There will be more losses. So H is equal to V square by 2G. When it is contraction, there will be less losses. So 0.5 into V square by 2G. P by rho g plus z plus v square by 2g is equal to constant. P by rho g plus z is a piezometric head. Hydraulic gradient line HGL is equal to P by rho g plus z. Energy gradient line EGL is equal to P by rho g plus z plus v square by 2g. EGL minus HGL is equal to v square by 2g is equal to kinetic head. EGL1 is equal to EGL2 plus HF. HF is equal to EGL1 minus EGL2. P1 is equal to P1 minus P2 by rho g. EGL1 total energy, EGL2 HF. This is V square by 2g is difference between HGL and EGL. Flows in decreasing, flows from 1 to 2. Pipe flow in series Q1 is equal to Q2, HF is equal to HF1 plus HF2. HF1 is equal to HF2, Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. Water hammer reservoir penstock sudden closure of wall, pressure wave generated in pipe producing hammering effect on pipe. Dimensional analysis, why to know whether a formula is accurate or not, dependence of parameters on some variables. Dimensional homogeneity, a Rayleigh method, variables are 3. Buckingham pi theorem, variables are greater than 3. Modeling analysis is experimental replica, factual prototype. It can be smaller, larger, or same in size. It must be similar to prototype. Geometric similarity, kinetic similarity, dynamic similarity, forces. Dimensionless number, Reynolds number, Re is equal to rho d u by mu is equal to inertia force by viscous force. Used in pipe flow, fully submerged flow. Froday's number, Fr is equal to root Fi by Fg is equal to root of inertia force by gravitational force. Fr is equal to V by root Lg. Used in open channel flow, river, canal, sewage pipe. Euler number U is equal to Fi by Fp. F inertia force by F pressure force used for cavitation. Weber number W is equal to Fi by F surface tension used for capillarity. Mach number Mach number is equal to root of Fi by F elastic is equal to V by C. Water hammering torpedoes. Room temperature, minimum area, minimum pressure, P less than vapor pressure, boiling starts, bubbles start bursting, damage result, P increases, A increases, cavitation. Boundary layer, laminar transition, turbulent, 3 lakh to 5 lakh transition, below 3 lakh laminar, above 5 lakh turbulent, U infinity. Tau is max is equal to mu du by dy at this point. X is equal to 0, leading edge. At that point, du by dy is max. Rv is equal to rho x by u infinity. Here, this is laminar sublayer. Here, is above that logarithmic profile, linear logarithmic profile. Boundary layer thickness, distance in y direction from surface up to which we can observe boundary layer phenomena, layer in which we get rate of shear strain, drag force, etc. Fluid in viscous is viscous both inside and outside boundary layer, but only du by dy is equal to 0 outside boundary layer. Why boundary layer steady? To steady losses. All drag force losses 99% are observed within the boundary layer. Boundary layer thickness delta x 0.99 u infinity, 0.99 u infinity, delta x1, delta x2, delta x3. Delta x is equal to distance in y direction at which u is equal to 0.99 u infinity, delta x directly proportional to root x. Losses due to boundary layer formation, u infinity boundary layer, loss of volume or mass flow rate, displacement thickness delta star is equal to integral 0 to delta 1 minus u by u infinity into dy. Momentum thickness theta is equal to integral 0 to delta u by u infinity into 1 minus u by u infinity du by dy. Energy thickness delta star star is equal to 0 to infinity u by u infinity into 1 minus u by u square by u infinity square into dy. Loss in mass flow rate is equal to rho u infinity b delta. Drag force Fd and quotient of drag. Fd is equal to integral 0 to delta tau 0 x into b dx is equal to cd into half rho a u infinity square. Area of contact BLCD is equal to local quotient of drag is equal to tau 0 x by half rho u infinity square. Common used velocity profile, laminar flow, Blasius parabolic, u directly proportional to y square. Delta x 5x by root rex cd 1.32 by root rel. Turbulent flow, Blasius 1 by 7th power law, u directly proportional to y power 1 by 7, delta x 0.37x by rex power 1 by 5, 0.072 by rel whole power 1 by 5. Rex is equal to rho x u infinity by mu, rel is equal to rho l u infinity by mu. Fd directly proportional to root L, Fd directly proportional to L power 0.8. Boundary layer good or bad depends on application. Bad prevents heat transfer. Good protects surface, prevents erosion. Boundary layer separation, free stream, because incoming fluid energy may not be sufficient to keep sticking to the surface. So it is inertia. Boundary layer separation is always bad, leads to mixing and losses. Adverse pressure gradient may also be leading to boundary layer separation. Diverging dp by dx less than 0, favorable pressure gradient, dp by dx greater than 0, adverse pressure gradient, du by dy greater than 0, stable boundary layer, du by dy less than 0, boundary layer separation. Efficient sharp, inefficient section gradual. Nozzle design good, bad design, and this is sudden. Diverging is sudden. Fluid machinery, second law of Newton, F external is equal to dp bar by dt, is equal to d by dt of mv bar is equal to d by dt of mvf. Dt is equal to impulse is equal to d of mv is equal to change in momentum. F dt is equal to mdv plus ddm is equal to mdv is equal to m dot dt dv. F is equal to m dot dv. M dot is equal to flow rate. Mass flow rate. The second law, F is equal to dp by dt is equal to d by dt of mv is equal to m dot v is equal to m dot mv dot area for fluids, m dot v for solids, m. Jet propulsion, nozzle jet, fx is equal to m dot dv is equal to m dot into vx1 minus vx2 is equal to finally rho a v square. Nozzle jet m dot dv, vx1 is v minus u, so finally rho a v into v minus u. Blade power is equal to fx into u, blade fluid power is equal to half m dot v square. Eta is equal to fx into u by half m dot v square is equal to m dot into v minus u into u by half m dot v square. D eta by du is equal to 0, u is equal to v by 2, u is equal to pi dn by 60. Blade velocity is equal to jet velocity by 2 for maximum efficiency. VR relative velocity, it will be along the blade. The direction will u1 v1 v2 absolute velocity. Alpha nozzle angle, that is horizontal, and v V1 bar horizontal nozzle angle, theta inlet blade angle, pi exit blade angle. U1 is equal to pi d1 n by 60, U2 is equal to pi d2 n by 60 blade velocities. Vr bar is equal to V1 bar minus U bar. V1 bar is equal to U1 bar plus Vr1 bar. Eta is equal to m dot into Vw1 U1 plus or minus Vw2 U2 by m dot Gh. H is equal to net head available is equal to Hg minus Hf, gross head loss. How to make velocity diagram? Take a blade, draw tangential lines, draw horizontal lines. These are VR, these are U. Join to, we will get V1, V2. We will get V1, V2. From that, perpendicular component is Vf, and V2 of V is horizontal component. Along the blade component is Vw. Hydraulic power plant, headless, penstock, uh, turbine, L, tailless, HF, EGL, HF energy loss, L turbine. H is equal to Hg minus Hf is equal to net head. Hf is equal to 4FL V square by 2GD. V is equal to CV root 2GH. If we have impulse turbine, Pelton. Reaction turbine, closed turbine make use of both pressure energy and kinetic energy. Kaplan and Francis. At exit shaft tube to maintain the head. In impulse turbine, gross head Hg is equal to difference between head race and nozzle level. In reaction turbine, gross head Hg is equal to difference between head race and tail race and tail race level. Draft tube kept inside sump. Classification of hydraulic turbines on basis of energy available at inlet. Impulse, Pelton, only kinetic energy at inlet, atmospheric pressure. Reaction, Francis, Kaplan, impeller. FDT is equal to change in momentum. Kaplan impeller operates both KE and PE. No cavitation can occur in Pelton turbine. Cavitation can occur at entry of draft tube or exit of runner in reaction turbine. Cavitation can occur at throat of nozzle. Cavitation can occur at entry of impeller in centrifugal turbine, centrifugal compressor. Direction of flow, axial flow, Kaplan or impeller. Radially inward flow, Francis turbine. Tangential flow, Pelton turbine. Mixed flow, modern Francis turbine. Head and discharge, P is equal to rho Q G Z. Rho G is a specific weight, Q discharge, Z head. Pelton, low discharge, high head. Kaplan, high discharge, low head. Francis, moderate. Specific speed ns is equal to n root p by h power 5 by 4 p kilowatt h head. Pelton ns 10 to 60, Francis 60 to 300, Kaplan 300 to 1000. Pelton will u1 is equal to pi d1 n by 60, u2 is equal to pi d2 n by 60, d1 is equal to d2. Bucket or blade, hemisphere shape. VR1 is equal to V1 minus U1. This is deflection angle. V1 will be like this, U1 here, VR1 here. Total is VW1. Pi is equal to blade exit angle is equal to 180 minus deflection is equal to 15 degrees. V1 greater than V2 turbine. If inlet velocity greater than outlet velocity, then it is turbine. VR2 less than or equal to VR1, then it is impulse turbine. VR1 is more, then it is impulse turbine. VR2 is equal to K VR1. K is coefficient of friction. VR1 greater than VR2, that is inlet relative velocity more than outlet relative. VR1 less than VR2, then it is reaction turbine. As pressure can increase VR1 greater than VR2, then reaction turbine as pressure can increase VR. Eta H is equal to runner power by water power is equal to m dot into VW1 U1 plus or minus VW2 U2 by half m dot V square or m dot GH. Eta m shaft power by mechanical is equal to shaft power by runner power is equal to 2 pi nt by 60 by m dot into VW1 U1 plus or minus VW2 U2. Eta overall is equal to eta H into eta m hydraulic into mechanical. VW2 is equal to VR2 cos pi minus U2. VW1 is equal to V1. VW2 is equal to V1 minus U into cos pi minus U. Eta H is equal to m dot into VW1 plus VW2 into U by half m dot V square is equal to 2 into V1 minus U into cos pi into U by V1 square. Eta H is f of function of U. Eta d eta H by du is equal to 0. U is equal to V1 by 2. Eta max is equal to 1 plus cos pi by 2. Eta H is equal to m dot into VW1 U1 plus or minus VW2 U2 by m dot GH. Francis turbine radially inward flow at the radial discharge. A VW2 is equal to 0. Here this VW2 is equal to 0, VF1 is equal to VF2, here 90 degrees. Eta H is equal to m dot VW1 U1 by m dot GH is equal to VW1 U1 by GH. Degree of reaction R is equal to pressure energy change across across blade or runner by total energy change runner power is equal to m dot into VW1 U1 plus or minus VW2 U2. Draft tube reaction turbine, it is diverging section, pressure increases so that effective head increases across turbine.